Understanding the phrase, health guru. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's quite popular these days, health guru. You might have heard this term in magazines, podcasts, or perhaps in a conversation. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a health guru is, the context in which this term is used, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. Let's start by looking at the two words that make up this phrase. Health refers to the state of being free from illness or injury. It's a comprehensive concept that includes physical, mental, and social well-being. The second word, guru, is a Sanskrit term for a teacher or master. In the past, it was used strictly in a spiritual context, but today it's used more broadly to refer to an expert or authority in a particular field. When we combine these words, health guru refers to someone who is considered an expert in health and well-being. This person usually advises others on how to achieve and maintain good health through various means such as diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices. A health guru can wear many hats. They might be a nutritionist, personal trainer, wellness coach, or even a yoga instructor. What's important is that they have a deep understanding of health practices and principles and use this knowledge to guide others. They often share their expertise through books, online platforms, blogs, or speaking engagements, offering advice and insights on topics like weight loss, healthy eating, and stress management. People follow health gurus for inspiration, motivation, and practical tips to improve their own health. Now, how can you use this phrase in English conversation? Here are a few examples. I've been following this health guru online, and her tips have really helped me feel better. Do you have any health guru recommendations for someone looking into vegan diets? He's like a health guru. He knows all about which exercises are best for different fitness goals. Using the term health guru in your conversations shows that you're aware of the trend towards proactive personal health management and the influence of experts in this area. That's all for today's topic on what a health guru is and how to use it in conversation. We hope you now feel confident in understanding and applying this modern term. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about staying up to date with current phrases and expressions. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay healthy.